So continuing, basically, because the system doesn't trade that often, the idea is it's more of a for sure a dedicated system. So what you want to try to do is, this is sort of a thing where it's almost a given that something's going to happen, so you can use a technical analysis to find the more specific points, which makes you being able to increase your size and thus making a significant amount of money. If you're trading all the time, these things mean nothing, right? I mean, you need some very powerful things going in your favor. So what you also want to do to optimize this thing is start running it on different accounts. Metatrader has a pretty cool system where you can manage multiple accounts, because what you're going to want to do is take signals from all the charts. So here you'd be running it on this one too, so it's kind of a smaller one. What you want to do is after every third bar, it would give you an indication of when to enter and stuff. So at the beginning of the week, for example, on a 1 hour now we're looking at, you know, we're already in the bear side sort of thing, or so I mean, you could have, like I said, taken one immediately because that last one was a bull and then bang. So I mean, you could have entered short here. Here we get into a bull cycle. You know, you're paying it a little bit further off the line, and you can say, oh, well, it might be a good idea to sell the line. It sort of works all together, right? We're very close to the falling line here. This is the way it looks here. You know, same thing off the 30-minute, right? You sort of get these clues, and if you have the expert running on 3 different windows, you really get a better sense of what's going on. You don't have to stay up all night for the whole week. You can let these things run. And of course, they would all be a little bit tuned to the particular thing, but you can imagine the profit potential would be just huge, because you know, you're just pinpointing these things one after another along the line using the different, you know, even the 5 minutes. So that's how the beginning of the week has gone. You know, you start recognizing things on the other charts. You say, hey, this is falling off the powerful 2000. So, you know, this might be a real nice, after you get 3 red bars in a row after this, you go, hey, this would be a real good spot. And sure enough, you know, you're never really underneath that, or I'm sorry, you're never really above that powerful 200 line. As you can see, it just eventually it hits it again a couple times, but you know, use a red one, the 4000 period as your stop, very tight stop. You can stand on a lot bigger size and start clipping it again after each thing. Okay, and as far as exits go, they're just predetermined. I'll get into that in part 5, I guess it is now. But anyways, that's the basic idea. So MSN me. I'll put, so you can contact me through my blog anyway.